Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this 2023 Honda CR-V key fob. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery, like this, 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is right here, you see a small button, this button over here. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove this mechanical key over here, it's time to separate this fob into two pieces, like this. And to do that, the easiest way is to, when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, take the small flat screwdriver and insert the tip precisely right here between these two pieces. Right here insert the tip. And when you insert it, just twist it a little bit, be careful, you can also insert it here, and push up, and be careful to not break the plastic, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. This is the whole idea here. And now, when you separate into two pieces, don't worry if this fall off like this. This is the chip that contains the battery. If it fall off, just take it and place it back in its place over here. Alright, and now to remove the battery, it's very easy again, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here or here, whatever you find easier, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, you need to install your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, just take these two pieces again, like this, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.